threading of fabrics onto and off yarn carriers for precise dye application. Textile mills also employ grinding, dye sublimation, printing, and reactive dyes to maximize resource usage. Regrinding repurposes scrap yarn and fabric, printing uses dyes and pigments more efficiently, and reactive dyes can bond to cellulose fibers extensively. These approaches produce less fiber degradation, dye waste, and energy usage for greener and more economical production. In summary, the textile dyeing industry has significantly advanced equipment, materials, and processes for greater control, efficiency, sustainability, and environmental impact. New dyeing machines, heat systems, and dyes provide highly controlled and consistent results while minimizing resource usage and chemical reliance. Fiber modification and continuous dyeing techniques further improve process efficiency and dyeability. Combined, these innovations have revolutionized dyeing with greener, more economical, and optimized industrial production. Looking forward, widespread adoption of new equipment and sustainable best practices will continue improving textile dyeing's resource efficiency. Environmental compatibility and product quality for a greener textile future. Here is a 1,000-word paragraph in English about the development and influence of Chinese fashion at international fashion events, such as Milan Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week, and New York Fashion Week. Chinese fashion has emerged as a significant force in the global fashion industry. Chinese designers and brands are gaining prominence at premier fashion events, reshaping cultural fashion perceptions and influencing trends. For example, Chinese fashion shows have become an important part of Milan Fashion Week. Prominent Chinese brands like Richemont, Sidon, and Kuaiyousi show collections to international buyers and journalists. Similarly, Topshop organizes Chinese designer shows at London Fashion Week to showcase fresh, innovative, and culturally inspired styles. The now famous Chinese Wonder Era features Shanghai-based designers at Paris Fashion Week. Major brands like Meter/Bonway, Sangquans, and Mr. Wildlife have gained exposure through New York Fashion Week's China Memorable Selection. Chinese fashion is challenging old stereotypes of copycat trends and cheap, low-quality goods. Designers recognize the potential to redefine Chinese style on the global stage using modern design, innovative fabrics, and cultural heritage. Brands are embracing a new Chinese consciousness expressed through technique, silhouette, embellishment, and color philosophy. Fashion is also evolving from manufactured export to creative export industry. There is a move away from imitating Western fashion to showcasing distinctly Chinese aesthetics. For example, Qipao 2.0 reinterprets the traditional cheongsam dress with a modern twist. Brands like TF Boys promote Guoqiao trends inspired by history and mythology. Designers incorporate cultural symbols like the dragon, embracing China's deep roots and visual tradition. Fashion is no longer about Western validation but proudly promoting Chinese style. At the same time, Chinese fashion absorbs global influences and fusion to create new hybrid styles. For instance, China chic combines Chinese elements with Western silhouettes. Brands blend Mao suits with Burberry trench coats and cheongsams with LBDS.